A big news break coming this at 7 p.m. this evening. Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has tweeted that while involvement of Sachin Vazee in the Mukesh Ambani case as well as in the Mansukh Hiren murder case is becoming clear and its links are likely to reach the then Commissioner of Mumbai Police, Parambir Singh, the investigation is underway. But Parambir Singh has made this false allegation to save himself as well as to protect himself from further legal action. This tweet coming in from Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh just minutes after Parambir Singh's letter has become public. Parambir Singh allegedly wrote a letter to the Chief Minister, after which Maharashtra Home Minister has tweeted in Marathi, and the rough translation of this tweet says that Parambir Singh is making false allegations because he wants to evade probe against him in Vazee Gate, in the Antilia bomb scare case. We have Alicia joining us live right now with the biggest breaking news this hour. Alicia, if you could tell our viewers what was in the letter, the allegations that were made against Anil Deshmukh, and the back-to-back responses that we are getting related to this story.
देखिए, उस पहले लेटर की बात करें जिसपे खुद फॉर्मर सीपी परमबीर सिंह ने जो लेटर लिखा है, और ये लेटर मुख्यमंत्री उद्धव ठाकरे और राज्यपाल को लिखे गए थे। अगर उस लेटर के कंटेंट को लेकर बात करें, जिसमें साफ तौर पर दिखा गया है कि परमबीर ने सारे एलिगेशंस कहीं ना कहीं पर महाराष्ट्र के गृह मंत्री अनिल देशमुख पर किए, और उसी साफ तौर पर उस लेटर पर लिखा गया है कि सचिन वाजे को कहीं ना कहीं पर हर महीने के 100 करोड़ का जो है एक एक्सटॉर्शन को लेकर जो है 100 करोड़ रुपए होम मिनिस्ट्री यानी महाराष्ट्र के होम मिनिस्टर ऑफिस पर देने के लिए कहा गया था। देखिए, इसमें अगर जो चार्ट देखे गए, खुद परमबीर सिंह ने जो लेटर लिखे है उसी लेटर पे चार्ट के जरिए मेंशन किया गया। इतना ही नहीं, पर परमबीर सिंह ने ये तक कहा है कि लगातार उनके न जानकारी के तहत जो है उनके ऑफिसर्स को बुलाए जा रहे थे और इन सारे एक्सटॉर्शन को लेकर बात की जा रही थी। इंपॉर्टेंटली यहाँ तक नहीं, पर अनिल देशमुख ने यहाँ तक ये आइडिया दिया गया था कि जहाँ तक मुंबई में 1750 बार्स रेस्टोरेंट जो है वहीं से कहीं ना कहीं पर हर जगह से 3 लाख रुपए जो है, एक जगह से 3 लाख रुपए कलेक्ट करना चाहिए, यानी मंथली 40 से 50 करोड़ रुपए होते हैं।
And Alicia, we also have our executive editor Niranjan joining us on the phone line, because we've been very closely watching the story from our Mumbai newsrooms here. Every development was very keenly watched. And Niranjan, this tweet that has come from Anil Deshmukh this evening responding to Parambir's letter, Parambir Singh has made very sensational charges of extortion, and now Anil Deshmukh is responding to it. How is this entire Vazee Gate case now taking a twist?
Sanika, it's a very big development, and it's taking one twist after the other. I mean, you look at the kind of allegations that are now made. Here is a cop who was disgraced and who was shunted out, who was asked to leave his office because everything was happening under his nose, and he has now written a letter alleging that there was an extortion racket. And in fact, this is what we were wondering: why was the Scorpio parked there, and what was happening? Now, the response of Anil Deshmukh to the charge made by Parambir Singh, and he has tweeted saying that, and he's come straight to the point. In fact, look at what he's saying. For the Home Minister to say that the involvement of Sachin Vazee in Mukesh Ambani case and Mansukh Hiren murder is becoming clear. He says Sachin Vazee's role in Mukesh Ambani case and Mansukh Hiren murder is becoming clear. He says the thread in both cases are likely to reach the then Commissioner of Police, Parambir Singh. He says Parambir Singh is now making these allegations to save himself from further legal action. Now, it's a big twist, Sanika. Either way you look at it, Parambir Singh was also responsible, answerable for whatever was happening. I mean, how can an API, now he was a de facto number 2, right? Sachin Vazee was a de facto number 2 to Parambir Singh. And he did whatever he was doing for the longest time. It's not like it happened yesterday. It's not like it happened day before. It's not like, all of this was reported a few days back. And it's been ongoing. In fact, some media houses reporting that this particular letter says that, this has been happening for last few months. Now, if He was the police commissioner and he knew about it happening for a few months.
Absolutely.
What did he do about it?
Exactly.
Did he write a letter then? No, he did not. Now we don't know what are the dynamics at play, but certainly the BJP also responding, asking for
Yes.
Anil Deshmukh's resignation. Now we are just playing out the responses as well. In fact, a lot of responses coming into the story.
Yes.
So we're going to play out the responses now. BJP, in fact, says that Anil Deshmukh must resign. There are 3 responses that are coming in. Let's play that out.